हेलो एवरीवन, वेटिंग फॉर द आईपीएल टू स्टार्ट क्योंकि ये है इंडिया का फेस्टिवल। बट डू यू नो हाउ डेटा साइंस इज यूज्ड इन क्रिकेट एनालिसिस? So let's dive into this amazing topic. Guys, cricket is a sport cherished for its tradition and excitement and is now using power of data science like never before. Imagine a world where every boundary, every wicket and every decision is backed by insights drawn from the vast amount of data. But how? And what is the technology used in it? Let's start. There are various technologies used in cricket analysis, which is based on computer vision. We will first start with Hawkeye. Guys, have you ever thought about how a third umpire can get ball tracking absolutely correct? Data science is the pillar behind it, but how it works, let's understand. It is done using high performance cameras normally positioned at the underside of the stadium roof, which track the ball from different angles and refining it using computer vision, which is the most trending field in the data science nowadays. Next technology is pitch vision. It provides real-time data on ball trajectory, speed, swing of the ball, helping bowler and coaches refining their techniques. For example, have you ever seen a person sitting in a dugout having a laptop and analyzing? Yes, that is the person responsible for analysis of that team. Now coming to other technology that is used, wearable sensors. These are some devices worn by players to collect data on movement, biomechanics and fitness level. Have you ever seen Virat Kohli using some kind of electronic devices during practice in nets? These devices give data of parameter I just told you, and using analysis, coach builds strategy for performance enhancement. Now coming to video analysis software. Video analysis software allows coaches to dissect players' technique, identify strength, weakness and develop personalized training plans. Now coming to application of data science in cricket analysis. So the first is batting analysis. It is used to analyze batting performance using shot selection, the right technique including scoring patterns and strategy to set a target and chase the desired score. Now coming to next, which is bowling analysis. In this, bowler performance can be assessed using data considering factors like line, length, variations in pace and spin, and effectiveness against different types of batsmen. For example, have you ever seen Bumrah's strategy on different pitches like Australia and Asia? This is all because of analysis on bowling. Now the most important, fielding analysis. In fielding analysis, have you ever noticed for some players, certain fields are designed to get them out? For example, many players have their weaknesses. So the field analysis is done such a manner to get them out with perfect field placement. And apart from it, runouts, field position and also building strategy for the match. As we wrap up our explanation into the intersection of data science and cricket, one thing becomes crisp clear. The game we love is evolving with every match, every player and every decision. Data science is rewriting the playbook, shaping strategies and propelling teams towards success. But beyond the number and statistics lies a deeper truth, and cricket remains a game of passion, skill and determination. So guys, my name is Kashish. Follow IIDST for more interesting videos about the data science.